Welcome back to the second part of our SolarEdge app tutorial series. In the first part, we covered the basics of the SolarEdge app, from how to connect your mobile device to your SolarEdge inverter, to how to use the Energy tab to monitor your solar production and energy consumption. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, we highly recommend checking it out first, as it lays the foundation for the more advanced features we'll be covering in this video. In this video, we'll pick up where we left off in part 1 and dive deeper into the Energy tab to show you how to use more advanced settings and configuration options. We'll also explore other tabs in the app, including the Layout and Sites tabs, and show you how to use them to gain even more insights into your solar system's performance. So, if you're ready to take your solar monitoring game to the next level, let's jump right in. The Inverter Status tab provides real-time data on your inverter's performance. Here, you can see how much energy your inverter is producing, the current status of your inverter, and any potential issues or errors. This tab is particularly useful for identifying and troubleshooting any issues with your inverter before they become bigger problems, in addition to monitoring your inverter's performance. The Inverter Status tab also allows you to access advanced settings and configuration options. This includes the ability to change the inverter's operating mode, view error codes and logs, and even update the inverter's firmware. Conclusion: that's it for this video on how to use all the functions of the SolarEdge app for solar systems owners. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful in monitoring and managing your solar system like a pro. In case you missed it, we covered a lot of ground in this series. We showed you how to navigate through the Energy tab, Monitor tab, Inverter Status tab, Layouts and Dashboards tab, Device Control tab, and Settings tab. Before we go, we have a special treat for our subscribed. In the video description below, you'll find a link to a template with a checklist of every question to ask when consulting an energy consultant. This checklist will help you to make an informed decision when it comes to installing, maintaining, or upgrading your solar system. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more solar tips, tutorials, and updates on the latest solar technologies. And as always, feel free to leave any comments or questions down below, and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep harnessing the power of the sun.